At the sumper.
Right, here we are in your workshop. Big day today because the engine's here.
Yeah.
And over here is the frame, beautifully powder coated by Triple S as usual.
Yes.
We just tried to put the frame on the engine.
Yes.
It didn't work.
No.
And it didn't work because
once Jeff removed the engine out of the frame,
yes,
he welded these brackets on to mount the side panels.
Yes.
But now they're stopping the engine going into the cradle.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bit of an oversight.
Yeah.
And the reason he did that is because I'm insistent on having a Z1 side panels, which of course this is not made for. So bit of a problem. So our conclusion is we either saw off one of the mounts and then worry about that later on.
Yeah.
Which is going to destroy the powder coat in that particular area.
Yeah.
Or you just had a little idea, which is to remove the sump.
Remove the sump. That'll give us a little bit more
clearance to get it.
The bracket's fouling here.
Yeah.
But if we take the sump off, it'll allow the frame to come this way and maybe
clear it. Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll do that then.
That's the first thing.
We'll do that. We'll do that. Whew. It's never easy, is it? Never easy. Right then. So cut, and we'll come back when we've done that.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
For that sensor, and I cleaned the threads out that holds it in. They originally hold the
exhaust.
Yeah. That's your sump.
Yeah.
I didn't know whether you wanted a standard sump plug or a low clearance one. I've got one in a box somewhere.
Well, we'll sort that out. Yeah, so you're saying you might even take out the oil pump because it protrudes a little bit.
Yes. Yeah.
Well, try it without doing that first, and then hopefully all the gasket's all right. It's not
the gasket's fine.
Yeah.
Greased it on, so
yeah,
I should see it first.
Okay, that's great. So now we'll try again and see if we can get that frame on that engine.
Might just give us the room we need.
Yeah, we'll see. Right, let's try again then.
Try again. Here we go. Have you noticed that there's actually bits of shot blasting grit coming out the chip fringe?
Oh yeah, sometimes.
Right, is that wide okay there?
Just watch the front.
Right. Might just do it close. Ooh.
No.
Hang on. What's it touching?
It's touching.
It's that at the back.
It's the bracket. Is it the wire that's in the way, or the?
If you go up a little bit, I'll tell you.
Which way do you want? Up. It's catching up.
No, up. Go.
Jamming, isn't it?
Yeah, what's happening is it's jamming between there and there. That corner is jammed there. So unless we can go backwards a bit, which I don't think we can.
Let's try again.
Okay.
Come to me. Can you sort of get it from there and then twist it? No.
Well, it's hitting the side of the engine now.
It's going to come off, I think.
Yeah. Sorry. Doesn't work.
Hang on. Let's just twist it that way.
That's in way.
That's not in the way.
Oh.
So you're almost clear in here now.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're miles off here though. You've got an inch to go.
Let's try another way. Let's see if that will hook under there by holding it at an angle like that.
Yeah.
And then that will allow it to come back.
To me.
Not quite yet. You see how it's hitting the engine at the moment there?
Yes.
We've got to get that hooked under the front.
Right.
There, that's it. Now.
Would it go now?
No.
It's hitting the base as well.
It's got one level on it.
Yeah.
It's going to have to come off that bracket, I think.
I think you're right.
Right.
Okay, lift the frame up at your side.
Yeah, let's hook it back again.
Okay.
Well, we tried, but it doesn't work, and that bracket's have to go. It's a side panel bracket, so we'll work out a solution to that a different day.
If you take that oil pump off, it's still going there.
No.
Well, but that wasn't the issue.
It's because those two, the bracket and the side of the frame, make a little angle, and it's hitting this.
There's not enough room.
And then it won't go.
No, it won't slide across.
No, so saw it off.
Dremel. Oh, that's all.
Right.
Okay. Is this a convenient time to have a cup of tea?
Aye. Right, so that didn't work very well.
Well, at least that don't keep moving.
No, this is pretty secure now. The blooming side stand, but the side panel bracket we added, turns out Jeff added it after the engine had been in and out of the frame, so if we didn't realise, or we didn't realise, it got in the way. It's not in the way by very much, it's about probably 5 mils.
It's just that corner bit.
Even with the sump off, it doesn't fit, so that bracket's going to have to come off, ruin my paintwork, not ruin, but it's not ideal, is it? And then once the frame's on the engine, we've then got to work out how to fix the bracket that we just sawed off. So anyway, we'll come up with a solution, I'm sure. Some sort of bolt-on bracket or something, we'll do it. Anyway, right now, it's time for some tea and a sort of reef thing. Les is going to have to get his hacksaw and put the kettle on, so we'll come back when we've had our cup of tea. Right then, so here we are again, and the tea has arrived, along with some, let's have a look, mini rolls. That'll do me. So we'll have that, and then we'll attack the frame with a hacksaw, which we don't want to do, but we have to, and we'll try again.
There she blows.
There we go.
Just on the edge of the hole.
Yeah, yeah. What we've done there is we've cut it as least as we can, so we've got a bit of room
so we've
left
got a maximum length of tab.
that we can
We can
drill
always
in.
cut more off it, we can't add it.
No, precisely. Right, okay, that done then. Do you want to try and maybe file it down a wee bit and smooth it off a little bit so it's not too sharp?
Yes, I'm going to get my files out next
Yeah,
door and
and
my
then,
brush so I can brush all the filings off.
Yeah, and then we'll try again.
We'll try again. Right,
Okay,
so
when you're all ready, to me, to you.
Right, I'm happy here. Oh, that's better, isn't it?
that's better. Let's get that.
Yeah, I'm tight here. Okay, I can't get
Hang on. Take it up at the back. We need to go. We need to loop that under there
Alright,
again.
Okay, we'll try that again then.
Try that way.
Get that in first.
Bit more, bit more, bit more, bit more, bit more. Bit more, right, bit more, right, I'm in.
Okay.
No.
Swing it round.
Right.
No.
No, I need a bit more yet.
No, it's
Right,
not.
there you go, it's on now.
It's not back enough to clear the frame.
No, we haven't. Right, okay, well we'll try
Take it off again.
Got go in
The frame has actually got to go in.
level,
Flat.
as level as we can. It will clear that there.
Yeah, that's it. As long as it clears there.
That is so sharp there, it's scratching the hell out of me.
No.
Go, up.
Oh, take it off.
Alright, yeah, up.
Stuck.
Oh, jammed.
There we go. We need to just file that down a wee bit there, it's so sharp.
Do you want me to cut the corner off at 45?
Yeah, I think that might help. That was scratching the hell out of the...
Okay. Can we just whip it up?
Luckily, this is
No, turn it that way.
not powder coated, it's ceramically coated, so it's
And I
going
can hold
to...
it wherever you want.
So it's not actually done too much damage, but if that was paint, it would have taken that off.
Sorry,
It's
mate.
just slide down it, won't it?
Yeah, it's not done it too much harm. This is so hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got that corner there that's very sharp, so we'll just...
I think it wants a 45.
Yeah, we'll do that. Where's your hacksaw gone?
Just there, up on the left. Up right there on the left.
Right, a bit more
Chocolate.
hacksaw in, then we'll try attempt number 30.
Do you want me to take another complete sliver off?
No, let's just try that lower
Or
part first.
45?
Yeah.
45 across?
Yeah, I want to keep as much as we can.
What, like quarter inch per quarter
Yeah,
inch?
yeah, it's not by a lot, just a little
You've
bit.
got to take that sharp edge.
Yes, yeah. Right then, we've cut the corner off that bracket again, filed it down, put some tape over it.
Yeah.
Try again, take 39.
Let's
39.
let's try it.
Let's try it.
3 times.
Again.
Fingers crossed.
We'll be fucking experts by the time we finish this.
Yeah, either that or we'll all be dead.
Oh, pissed off.
Yeah.
You got it there?
Yeah.
Sweet to you.
Me too.
To me.
To you.
Are you going flat or are you going in at bottom first?
I think we're going flat, I think. Look at that there.
Oh yes.
We're a bit tight here.
That look.
No, I need to get this down. So. Right, can we go down now?
Just that bit there.
There we go.
Oh no. Oh. Bit more. Yeah. Can we go a little bit towards...
We've got to come.
It's
It's this here.
sitting there.
It's hitting that again. That's got to go past that so we can swing the frame down.
Hang on.
It's hitting here now. Ah!
Right, so we've got to take a little bit off the bottom. Yeah? It's not much because I'm pretty much alright now.
I've got past this time.
Yeah. But now I'm just hitting the edge here.
See,
You're not much
the frame's got to come up really, but it can't because it's not gone over. See how far out that is with that?
Well, it
But
can.
if you look here, I've got my fingers under it.
Yes,
and it's
yes.
hitting the frame.
Well, what's happening now is... Oh, there you go.
Hang on.
Go on, bit more.
Wriggle it and jiggle it.
There we go. There we go.
Got it.
Right.
Right.
Is that it?
Yes, there we go.
Right, I've done it. Right. Don't panic, Miss Marin.
Right, just let it rest on here.
Yeah.
Now I can get the bottom bolts in.
Right. Fingers crossed, that's done. Thank God. Deep breath. We can't remember which way around the triangular brackets go at the back.
Correct.
So, there's only one way of trying it out. We've got
Try it.
half chance of getting it right and half chance of getting it wrong. And no doubt at the moment we'll get it wrong first time.
There you go.
There we go.
So hopefully now we can actually lift the lift the frame upright. Well, let's put this rear one in,
Put that one in first.
and then we can put a cushion there,
Yeah.
and then lift it over so it's upright.
Are you going to put the sump on again? Before we do it?
Can do that.
I can,
Do it while it's on its side.
Let's get this
yeah,
in.
okay, let's get the back one in first, and let's not get too far ahead of ourselves. So everything's loose.
Yeah.
There you go.
There we go.
Quite much better when it's lined up, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all loose, but it'll hold it while we...
Do you want to put the sump on?
Sump on. Sees you while it gets on its side.
Then
Yeah,
toss it up then.
Yeah, we can toss it up then.
Then you start doing the other side.
Right. Good. Right, so sump's back on again. So we're going to tip it over.
Tip it over and so it's resting on the sump.
Yes.
What's the Duke cutter?
Yeah, you have to point it that way a bit.
This way.
Yeah, I was just about to say you need to spin it. There's that washer you lost.
Oh yeah. Well, I'll put it back on in a minute.
Are you happy with that there, Les?
Yeah, it's not going anywhere, is it?
No. Alright, so where's that come from? Right then, here we are. We're watching Harry go, and it's a brand new SP5. Just like mine. Except mine's a copy. Oh, bloody hell. That's a bit loud.
Have you seen the clutch cover? Have a quick look.
And there he goes.
His brake light's flickering on.
Yeah, he might be just touching it.
Yeah, he's just touching it.
Yeah, I think he said his foot pegs aren't quite in the right place for him yet.
Yeah, he's done that before on other bikes when he's left here. His tail light's been flickering, so he must be dragging the brake a bit.
Yeah. Right, back to work then.
Back to work. Well, there's 3 washers there.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the issue is that the frame's not quite as accurate as as it should be.
Might even get 4 in that.
Yeah.
No, not going to get 4 in there.
3 then. 3.5.
It should pull.
Yeah, let's have a look at that.
Put quite a big washer on there because it's quite a thin head under the cap heads.
Yeah, we'll change them. I'll get some Pro Bolt hex heads
Yeah.
to match the rest of the bike. Right, good. So that's good. Job done after take 45 or whatever. But we got there in the end.
Got there in the end. It was that bracket.
Yeah, so we have given ourselves a problem to sort that out, but I think we can. We've got enough room on that tab.
Something and
Drill
nothing,
2 little 4mm holes in it, little 4mm bolts, and bolt on a little bracket that we can make in alloy to mimic the bracket that we've just cut off. So it's not the end of the world, thankfully. So yeah, so that's that. And now here we are, back home again in my garage, and the engine frame won't be back for about another week, as we need an empty van to bring it here, and that's not available for another week or so. So in the meanwhile, I've been clearing out some much needed space in my garage here, and I've also dragged out the back end, the swing arm and the wheel, as it also needs some more work before it can go into the frame for the last time. And there's 3 things I need to do here. I've got to make some spacers for the rear wheel spindle, I've got to make spacers for the swing arm pivot, and I've also got to change this one-off caliper here, this caliper mount. And the reason for that is because it was made to take this rather lovely gold Brembo caliper. I want to change that to another Brembo caliper, but this time a black one, this one here. And the reason for that is because on the front now I've got a Yamaha front end from an R6, and that's got the famous Yamaha blue spot calipers. And as the name suggests, they're black with blue centres. And that would look very odd when the rear caliper is gold, it doesn't match at all. So I'm changing that to a black one. And when I bought it I thought, oh no problem, it'll just slot on, it's the same as this gold one here, but guess what, it's not. The mounts are ever so slightly different, so we'll have to remake this caliper bracket here, unfortunately. Yeah, a bit of a pain, but there you go. So that's something we'll be doing in the next week or so, but right now I don't have time for that, and I've got some more things to get on with before I can take this over to Jeff's workshop where we can make spacers and so on. And so in a few days time I'll go over to Jeff's workshop and we'll start the work on this back end.